Welcome everyone in lecture 22 of unit 3, and we are studying normal forms of CFG. And there are two kind of normal forms. One is Chomsky normal form, second one is Gary-Betts normal form. Chomsky normal form is also known as CNF, and Gary-Betts normal form is popularly known as GNF. And in Chomsky normal form that we have studied in last lecture, rules are as one non-terminal tends to two non-terminals, or one non-terminal tends to single terminal. Only these kind of productions are allowed, and S tends to epsilon is allowed if epsilon belongs to the language of that particular grammar. Now in this lecture we have some rules for Gary-Betts normal form, and we are going to study Gary-Betts normal form. Rules are as one non-terminal tends to one terminal followed by any number of non-terminals, or one non-terminal tends to one terminal. So in GNF, important thing is that in the right hand side of the production you will start with terminal only. Then you can get any number of non-terminal. It may be zero number. It means that there may be non-terminal after terminal. There may be any number of non-terminal, or there may be no non-terminal at all. Only single terminal here. And S tends to epsilon is allowed when epsilon belongs to language. If epsilon belongs to language. It can be written as A tends to small a beta, where A is a single terminal. It belongs to a terminal. It may be small a, small b, and beta belongs to any number of non-terminals. Beta is a combination of non-terminals, and star means it may be epsilon here. It may be single terminal, or it may be any number of non-terminals. After single terminal, it can be any number of non-terminal. It can be also written as non-terminal tends to terminal followed by any number of non-terminals, or non-terminal tends to terminal. It can be written in various way. This way, or this way. Now look at some example. Example number 1, and we will try to focus what kind of problems we can face in GNF. First one is S tends to AB SA / AA. And what is the problem here? It start with terminal. It is okay. But problem is this terminal. It should be non-terminal. It should be non-terminal. It should be non-terminal. So what can we do? We will replace these terminals, this B, this A, by some variable, some non-terminal. So we choose to replace this A by X and this B by Y. A, Y, S, X, S tends to AX, X is A, and Y is B. Now you will look at this grammar. it is start with terminal and there is non-terminals. It start with terminal, there is non-terminals, only terminal, terminal. So this grammar is in GNF. Now look at second problem. S tends to AB, A tends to A/A, and B tends to say BB/B. Now find the problem in this grammar. It is in GNF, terminal followed by non-terminal. It is in GNF. It is in GNF, single terminal. Problem is here. In this production, we get the non-terminal at first place, but at the first place there must be terminal only. So there must be terminal, but we get a non-terminal. So what can we do? This is capital A, and we know that capital A has two values. It is a variable having two values, either A or A. So we substitute the value of capital A here. We will replace this A by A or small a. We will get S tends to AAB. If we replace this A by small a or AB, if we replace this A by small a. So A is a variable, A is a non-terminal, it has two values, so we have to put two values one by one. A tends to AA/A, B tends to BB/B. Now this grammar is in GNF. Now look at third type of problem. Suppose it is a mixture of both problems. Say A, B, S and A tends to AA/A. There is it is okay. This production is okay. This is also okay. Problem is here. At the places after first place, we are getting terminal here. One problem is that we are getting terminal after first place, and second problem is that we are getting non-terminal at first place. So there are two types of problem. Now we have to deal with them one by one. So first replace these terminals by some variables, some non-terminals. So we will change it as S tends to A, X, Y, S, A tends to AA/A, X tends to A, Y tends to B. Now we have resolved one problem. Second problem is that we are getting non-terminal here. It should be a terminal. So A is a variable, A is a non-terminal. So we have to put the values of A here. We will get S tends to AAXYS or AXYS, A tends to AA/A, X tends to A and Y tends to B. So now you will look at the rules that this grammar follow all rules of GNF, and so it is in GNF. So what we need to do, we have to make all smalls after first place to capital, and we have to make smalls at first place. So we can convert any grammar into GNF by using these two rules. Now look at the problem number 4, and it is a very important problem. S tends to AA/A and A tends to SS/B, and we are not going to solve it in this lecture. We will solve it in next lecture, but I am giving this problem to you to analyze that what is so special about this grammar, what kind of trend, what kind of problem you will face in solving this question. Okay, so before the next lecture, lecture number 23 lecture will be on GNF only, but you will try this problem that you can analyze it in better way. Thanks for attending the lecture.